Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In my quest into solving the motherboard issues, like I said in my previous videos, it seems that I failed. And the reason for that is this motherboard, it has a lot of issues. I have tried many times to reinstall the Windows 98, the original copy, of course, of the software, and it seems that it has a problem with the controller. Normally, for this age, I mean, having this age, this motherboard could have a lot of problems. It pretty much depends how it was previously used, and over time, the components of the motherboard starting to fail. And of course, it is repairable. I can do that if I'm going to the technician with that and see what kind of components needs to be replaced. What can I say? I have tried to in the memory sticks to put it in different configuration. I also assumed that the installation of the Windows 98 was failing all the time because of the memory, but the SD-RAM sticks do not having any problems. Now, if I'm trying, the reason for that, when you see this one, actually are 256 megabyte, and the other is the same value, 256. If I'm putting this stick into the second slot right here, the motherboard will not see the memory. Yeah, anyway, this is the issue that I was telling you. And the other, when I'm installing the Windows 98 for the fresh copy after I'm formatting the hard drive, there's also the hard drive is right here, the Western Digital that I was telling you about. Anyway, it freezes at 70%. Sometimes it also freezes to 70, 71, 75. It pretty much depends. It pretty much depends on how the motherboard is actually feeling. So yeah, this is very weird behavior. I never seen this kind of things in my entire career. Anyway, what else? I had tried on the other platform. I'm having here the keyboard, the Logitech, and this is the P5 L2 LD2, pardon. It also has one stick of 512, the DDR2. Anyway, it doesn't matter the frequency and all of that. It also has the Pentium. This is the dual core, the Pentium D, pardon. It also has the nice color, the Arctic Silver is very nice made. Of course, my optical drive on SATA, it does work flawlessly. But this motherboard, when I was trying to reinstall the Windows 98, the fresh copy that I was telling you, the original one, it did have a problem. The motherboard, after I'm going to into the BIOS and make the proper settings, the motherboard will shut down for no reason. The power supply is in fully working condition, is the Delta incorporated. If you watch on my channel, this power supply is present all the time, because when I bought it, it was in good condition. Of course, it was second hand and all of that. Anyway, but I'm going to make you a demonstration to see how actually it behaves. So we're gonna go to the power switch from here. Okay, so the computer started, and now if you're going to go into the BIOS, you'll see that after a while the Asus motherboard will shut down itself. Right now we're checking the IDE, and first we're gonna go to the F1, so we can go in directly into the BIOS and moving from here. In this area, all you have to do is just modify the boot priority, so you can boot from the DVD, from the DVD burner, of course. No, not in this area, pardon. I do apologize for the flickering, but You saw? So this is the issues that I was telling you about. This one is made for the chassis. If I'm removing it, the computer will start normally, but it will report the error that it said the computer is halted, pardon, and you cannot go from there anywhere else. Just like the P60 Deluxe, the motherboard that I managed to repair at the technician shop. Anyway, and right now I'm confronting with the two faulty motherboards, which in my opinion does not worth repairing it, because the components and the time and the available time for these ones uh, are not worth it, in my opinion. Anyway, this is the quick view that I was supposed to give you from last week. I couldn't make any videos because I was very busy working all the time, and right now I'm working in two shifts, and I don't have time. And when I'm getting home, when I'm getting home, I'm very tired, and all I have to do is just sleep. Yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the other videos when I will explain, and probably I'll buy another computer parts so I can make the more reviews. Thank you for watching once again, and see you in the other videos.